What if you could tap into over 5 billion potential buyers with only a few clicks? Imagine how much sales, commissions, and leads you could get. Would that interest you? If you're thinking, yes, I want that, then listen up closely. Hi, it's Daniel here. On a daily basis, I'm asked by my subscribers the same old question. How do I get traffic? It's no wonder, because most traffic methods are either painstakingly expensive or slow. Methods like solo ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, banner ads, making videos, spamming, SEO. I knew there was a better way. You see, we studied for months what celebrities and influencers were doing to grow and get millions of free hits of traffic. We spotted a similar pattern among them. Frankly, it was a bit weird, but it brought in swarms of traffic every single time. After testing it manually, we thought, why don't we just make an app that emulates this process? And that's how Buzz was made. With Buzz, we've made it a reality to start tapping into over 5 billion potential buyers in only a few clicks. There's nothing easier than this. Let me show you how simple it is. Step 1, enter the link you want traffic sent to. Step 2, activate up to 8 different traffic sources and unlock access to over 5 billion potential buyers. And Step 3, watch as you get flooded with targeted free traffic and sales. It really is that simple. With Buzz, we've removed all the moving parts. No content creation required, no domain required, no hosting required, no technical skills required, no videos required, and no extra expenses or recurring fees involved. Look, when you have an abundance of traffic, the possibilities are endless. You can start making affiliate sales, high-ticket commissions, e-com sales. You can build a giant email list. You can make CPA commissions. You can even sell your own products. The sky's the limit with Buzz. Okay, so we originally planned on charging $997 for access to Buzz. If you were to pay for traffic, it's not uncommon to pay $2 a click for good traffic. Let's do some math. 100 clicks at $2 a click is $200. 200 clicks at $2 a click is $400. 500 clicks at $2 a click, $1,000. And 1,000 clicks at $2 a click equals $2,000. Scary expensive, right? And you might spend that much while getting no sales whatsoever. Do you really want to go down that path and risk that much money? Which is why we're going to offer Buzz at a price anyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997. If you click the button below, you can get Buzz at a low one-time investment. But you must act now, because the price rises with every sale. So you're going to end up paying more if you come back later. And every minute you wait is a minute where you could be stuffing your wallet using Buzz. And to remove all the risk, I'm giving you a full 180 days to make sure Buzz is right for you. In fact, if you don't see results, I'll give you $100 in spendable cash. So either way, you win. Your life will never be the same with Buzz. You finally have the chance to use something that real, something that produces results at Roadrunner speed. With that being said, click the button below to claim your copy of Buzz. I'll see you inside.